Hey, it's Nicole from Let Nicole Help. And did you know that there's AI available for you to use inside your 17 Hats account? Let's dive in. So I'm here in a email message that I'm in my test account here, sending an email to a lead. And maybe I'm having a hard time saying, do you still want to work with us? Well, with us. Maybe that's all I can come up with. But if I hit AI options here, Patty, you can see that I can add all these different tones to how I want to say this message. Maybe I say friendly, and it's going to rewrite a whole new friendly email just to say, do you want to still work with us? And then if you hit remove AI, you're back to your original message. And then perhaps concise, if we try that, there we go. A little more drawn out, but still concise message. So AI is available to you in your email builder inside 17 Hats, which is super helpful. Another place that you can find it is actually through your online scheduling and in the description of your services. So maybe I've got something here, consultation call, and I want to use AI options again to sound professional. Personalized consultation call, capitalized and everything. So just cool little places to utilize AI and help you get the right words in your emails and in your service descriptions inside 17 Hats. I hope this helps.